Businesses of every industry rely on communication for all aspects of their operation. From conducting internal communication on sensitive matters to instantly circulating critical information across a mass audience and even hiring new employees, organizations today leverage several channels to meet their day-to-day communication needs. The impact of technology on communication is remarkable. As new tools and solutions emerging every day, it is continuing to transform the way businesses communicate. Technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning have taken business communication to a whole new level. Chatbots currently fields more than 25,000 conversations per month. Besides, 75% of enterprises across the world now use automation tools to make communication quicker and more effective. Many of the business processes today involve communications like messaging, chatbots, email marketing, and social media engagement to reach out to the target customers. The growth and widespread adoption of social media platforms, video conferencing tools, and emailing platforms have made virtual communication a new normal in the COVID reign. Ways technology has evolved business communication. Enabling immediate and 24/7 communication. Automating communication. Overcoming geographical barriers. Enabling more effective and real-time collaboration. Increasing transparency. Decentralizing decision-making. Let's have a look at the modern tools and technologies that are having a tremendous impact on business communication processes in the modern era. Email. Arguably the most productive and cost-effective of all business communication tools, email generates a host of communication channels. Today, employees use the tool to communicate important information with one another, and executives use email to share reports with higher leadership. As emails provide exposure to a wider audience, businesses leverage this technology to maintain the relationship with clients, share and receive feedback, attract new customers, and more. Social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. have emerged as powerful business communication tools today. With free accounts on social media platforms, organizations can increase their exposure to existing and potential customers, and the proprietary communication channels involved within these platforms allow customers to easily communicate with businesses. Video conferencing tools. As an impact of technology on communication, today there are many tools available in the market that have taken virtual meetings to next level. Tools like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, WhatsApp, etc. have made our lives easier by enabling us to have video conferences anytime and anywhere. Using these tools, collaborating employees can instantly share ideas in real time and even share their computer screens with others for more effective communication. Sales professionals also can make pitches to customers using these tools. Instant messengers. An instant messenger combines the instant, synchronous nature of a telephone conversation with the convenience of an email. When employees require to communicate with one another, instant messengers allow these communications to take place with only a few keystrokes. Many messengers also provide advanced functionality like exchanging files, checking an employee's status, and conducting video conferences. Some of the trending instant messengers are Slack, WhatsApp, HipChat, Skype for Business, Stride, Microsoft Teams, Flowdoc, Basecamp 3, Google Hangouts Chat, Facebook Workplace, etc. VoIP. The impact of Voice over Internet Protocol (VoIP) technology on communication is significant. Organizations have relied on telephones for many years, and VoIP allows them to enjoy high-quality voice calls at a much lower cost. With VoIP, business professionals can easily check voice messages, view call histories, and even reroute calls all from any internet-connected device anywhere in the world. Communication management portals. Today, businesses utilize communication management portals to hold all their communication data for optimized workflows. Such portals allow them to effectively engage with their customers across multiple channels in whatever way they prefer. This, in turn, enables them to provide more timely customer service responses and resolutions to issues. Given the contemporary competitive corporate scenario, no organization can afford to ignore the new trail of efficiency, productivity, and ease of communication promised by emerging communication technologies and digitalization. It's time for you to reimagine your business communication process if you haven't yet. A Bill Musk production.